Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Notifications right away. Then tap on App Settings at the top. Click on Most Recent and tap on the best option for you, in my case, Most Frequent. Now just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can turn them back on by tapping on the same now gray switcher. If you wish though, you can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!